This lift might be required on occasion, depending on the object that you are lifting. The deadlift is an advanced lift. This type of lift may be inappropriate for you if you have any injuries or conditions affecting your legs, knees, ankles, hips, back, shoulders, and wrists. Position the feet shoulder width apart. Ensure that the feet are pointing straight ahead or they can angle out slightly. Your heels should stay on a flat surface. Stabilize your abdominal muscles. Squat down, bending at the knees. The form is similar but not identical to the squat, with your back straight or arched slightly and not rounded at the shoulders or spine. Grasp the object with a good grip. Lift the object by pushing upwards with the legs from the knees. Breathe out. Be careful not to raise the hips first or the trunk moves forward and the back becomes rounded. The object should be lifted close to the legs. Pull the shoulders back as much as possible without bending backwards. The key to the deadlift is to lift with the legs and hips, not the arms, shoulders, or back. Keep your arms straight throughout the lift. Practice is the key. Practice with light weight or practice an air deadlift to get the technique right. If you need to select the deadlift technique, ensure that you are lifting something lightweight.